Today we're going to learn about addition of integers. But before we do addition of integers, ano-anay ang integers? Ang integers is a set of positive and negative counting numbers including 0. Duha ka importante naton nga tandaan sa pag-add sang integers. Number 1. Pagpareho gani ang sign sang duha ka numbers, gina-combine naton ang duha ka numbers kag ginakopya ang common nga sign. Number 2. Pag hindi gani pareho ang signs sang duha ka numbers, hindi sila naton pwede ma-combine. Instead, ginabuhin naton ang gamay nga number sa dako nga number. And ginakopya naton ang sign sang mas dako nga number. Let us have examples. So examples for same signs. Example number 1. Positive 5 plus positive 7. Since we have two numbers with the same sign, we combine the numbers. So 5 plus 7, that gives us 12. And then we copy the common sign, which is positive. So the answer is positive 12. Or we could simply write it as 12. Example number 2. Negative 2 plus negative 6. So the two numbers are negative and they have the same signs. So negative 2 plus negative 6, what we do is we combine 2 and 6 and that gives us 8. And we copy the common sign, which is negative. So the answer is negative 8. Now let us have two examples of addition of integers with different signs. So number 1, positive 10 plus negative 4. So since ang duha ka numbers, lainay sila sign, so hindi na sila pwede makombine. Instead, isubtract naton ang gamay nga number sang sa dako nga number. So ibuhin naton ang 4 sa 10. So 10 buhinan 4, that gives us 6. And then we copy the sign of the bigger number. So ang mas dako nga number sa 10 kag 4 is 10. And the sign of 10 is positive. So ang aton nga answer is positive. So the answer is positive 6. Or simply 6. Example number 2. Negative 7 plus 5. So 7 is negative, 5 is positive. So lainay naman sila liwat sang sign. So hindi pwede makombine ang duha ka numbers. Instead, we subtract 5 from 7. So ibuhin naton ang 5, which is the smaller number, ang gamay nga number, sang sa dako nga number. So 7 buhinan sang 5, that gives us 2. And then, kopyahon naton ang sign sang mas dako nga number. So in this example, ang mas dako nga number is 7 and ang iyang sign is negative. So the answer is negative. That is why the answer is negative 2. I hope nakabulig ang ini nga video sa inyo sa pag-add sang integers. Thank you and good day.